This is a Fox 17 Weather Ready Alert.
We have continued challenging conditions here across West Michigan the next several days, not just from snow, but mostly from the frigid cold that will start tonight, run through the weekend, but the core of the worst wind chills starts around midnight and runs through Saturday afternoon. Feels like temperatures could be anywhere from -15 to -30 during this time frame, and on top of that, we're also going to be dealing with some more snow here and there, leading to slick roads, low visibility, and blowing snow. And the colder it gets, especially when we start to get into these temperatures below zero, the more challenging it is, even if the snow is not falling, for there to be any good traction on the roads. Right now, a snow band is moving right through downtown Grand Rapids, where the visibility is plummeting, and you can see it right here on radar, coming right across the Grand Rapids Metro, all through Grand Rapids from the west side to the northeast, and then all the way out even into Ionia County. This heavy band is drifting through. This is the worst of the snow for the moment. We just have some light flurries elsewhere or some shorter lived snow, but this lake effect band has been pretty persistent, and we'll likely see some of these on and off through tonight and tomorrow morning. Enough confidence that there will be additional snow, maybe upwards of 2 to 4 inches within those bands. So this winter weather advisory has been extended until 1 p.m. tomorrow. The real cold is going to be sneaking in tonight, but the worst of the cold that's still straight up Arctic air is back into northern Canada and northern Minnesota. Actually, you can see some of these areas are almost off the scale for how cold it is, and all of that air is headed straight for us. So we'll get some of that tonight, but the worst of the actual cold temperatures, not including the wind chill, that will occur on Saturday. Widespread extreme cold warnings for much of the upper Midwest and the Great Lakes, and this does include us from 96 north starting tonight and running through Saturday. Wind chills -15 to -30. Farther south in the cold advisory, we have wind chills of -10 to -25, but it doesn't really matter what advisory or warning you're in. It's all the same: dangerous cold, dangerous wind chills, and frostbite can happen within 15 to 30 minutes. Actual temperatures early tomorrow morning, -4. We may make it up to +4 tomorrow. Very cold throughout the entire day though, and even as we head into tomorrow afternoon, wind chills are not going to be all that great. After midnight is really when the wind chills start to tank, but they will max out at their coldest, maybe even seeing some spots at -32. That'll be through early tomorrow morning. Tomorrow afternoon, as we hit 4 degrees, it's still going to be feeling like -15 to -25. That's why we have all of the cold alerts in place, because even during the afternoon it will be extremely cold. Saturday morning, our last push of the worst of the cold, but it will still be feeling like -15 to -30 depending on the area, and that's as our actual temperatures plunge to around -12. This -12 is not only the coldest temperature that we have in the 7-day, thank goodness, but is very close to breaking a record low. Our record cold high for Saturday is 6, so we're going to get close to that at 8, with continued cold temperatures all the way through next week, with bouts of snow as well, although it does start to get just a tiny bit warmer starting on Monday.